Oh, he's launched that one. That's huge. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit.